Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Whoa, that bird is carrying lots of twigs. Right, T.A.B.B.O. She's bringing them to her nest. I wonder, how do birds build a nest? Good idea! Let's follow that bird and see if she'll show us. I'm gonna need wings and a grabber arm.
Wings, grabber arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station! Shrinking down! The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is T.A.B.B.O. Oh no! What happened to your nest?
Hi, Blippi and T.A.B.B.O. I'm Jodie. My nest was damaged in a storm last night. Oh, don't worry, Eggies. Mama's on a mission to rebuild our nest.
We were wondering how you build a nest.
Well, I could use an extra wing to look after my 2 eggs.
T.A.B.B.O. would love to egg sit.
Aw, thanks, T.A.B.B.O. Now, Blippi, can you come with me to get supplies? Grass, mud and twigs. They're all near Jake's place, so we'll need to keep him busy. Very unfriendly.
Let's go! Nice birdie! Jodie, what's the status of that grass?
Grass acquired. Time to get the mud. Mud is landing in the nest. Now all we need are some twigs from the end of this branch.
This guy again?
Oh, thanks, T.A.B.B.O. Time to build. First, I make a circle with twigs and grass. Then, add more twig circles higher on top of each other.
Whoa! You use your beak to build it.
The mud is like glue, holding the nest together.
Your nest is fantastic, Jodie. And I know the answer to my question. How do birds build a nest? Birds like Jodie find natural things like grass and twigs, then use mud to hold it all together. Upload answer, T.A.B.B.O.
Bye, Blippi and T.A.B.B.O. Thanks for all your help.
Bye-bye, Jodie. Bye, eggs. Woo. Wow, that bee sure seems busy. And so does that one. And that one too. They're all so busy. Well, except that one. Those bees are busy making honey. I wonder, how do bees make honey? Yes, let's go into the beehive. I'm gonna need wings and the excavator arm.
Wings, excavator arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Now, we just need to make like a bee and be tinier. Shrinking down! You're right, Tabs. The bee's tongue is in the flower. Hey, it's me, Blippi. This is Tabs. I was wondering how you make honey.
Hey, Blippi, I'm Bijan. Honey, huh? This is the place to be. So I'm using my tongue to drink in this sweet nectar. It's how we bees start to make honey. Okay, time to buzz. Into the beehive. Follow me. Spoiler, lots of bees working. It's like a honey factory in there.
Bijan, are they all chewing nectar?
Sure are. Gotta chew, that's what we do. Chewing makes it thicker. Can't have runny honey. I rhymed again.
And after you chew, then you have honey?
No, there's more to show. We chew, then we swallow. The nectar stays in our bellies, becomes honey, then we put it in the honeycomb.
The honeycomb?
Yep, we store the honey in the honeycomb.
Maybe I can taste some honey.
Oh dear. This may look funny, but flapping our wings is how we make thicker honey. It's a bee thing.
Whoa! Yes, Tabs, I have the answer to my question. How do bees make honey? They get nectar from flowers, chew it, store it in their stomachs, then put the honey in a honeycomb and flap their wings over it. Upload answer, Tabs. Bye, Bijan. Thanks for being you.
Bye!
Woo-hoo! Yeah! Whoa, Tabs! Look at this amazing rainforest. You're right. I bet all kinds of interesting animals are in there. I wonder, what kind of animals live in a rainforest? I'm gonna need spider legs and the grabber arm.
Spider legs, grabber arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Wow! This place is so green! They must get a lot of rain here.
Yes, we do actually.
Hey! It's me, Blippi. This is Tabs.
Hello, I'm Bi, the giant panda bear. Glad to meet you.
We want to know what kind of animals live in a rainforest. Can you show us around?
Yes, okay, but I am meeting my sister for lunch and I'm always late, so I'd like to be there first for once.
We won't be long.
Super! Let's go see what we can find.
Yeah! Thanks, Bi.
I do get a little hungry before lunch, so could you help me collect some bamboo on the way? Just for a snack.
Sure. Whoa! This bamboo is as tall as a house.
The juiciest shoots are at the top. Would you mind?
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Lovely!
Whoa, look! There's a monkey.
He's a golden monkey. Hi, Fred. Sorry, Fred. All pandas love bamboo. It's all we ever eat, actually.
Not even ice cream?
Not even ice cream, unless it was bamboo flavor. Could you get me a little more bamboo? All this chewing makes me terribly hungry.
Sure thing.
There's a nice stalk just there.
Whoa! Little red bugs.
Oh, it's Reese and Fiona. They're red bamboo weevils.
Hi, buggies.
Oh no! I'm going to be late again! Sorry, we need to go! Oh, not again! I'm sorry, but I was helping my new friends Blippi and T.A.B.B.S.
Hello.
Could I possibly share some of your bamboo, please?
Thanks for the tour, Bi. You really helped me answer my question. What kind of animals live in the rainforest? Golden monkeys, red beetles, and giant panda bears who love eating bamboo. Upload answer, Tabs. I think it's time for a snack of our own. See you later. Bye-bye, Bi. I love chocolate. Just a little bit now and then. Do you love it too, Debo? Oh, right. Dogs can't have chocolate. It hurts their tummies. I wonder, how are chocolate bars made? Great idea! We can go into that chocolate factory and find out. I'm gonna need wings, hovercraft, and a prop engine.
Wings, hovercraft, prop engine, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. shrinking down. The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Let's go meet some chocolate bars in the chocolate factory.
Hey there! You're not cocoa beans! I need them so we can start making chocolate bars.
I'm not a bean, it's me, Blippi, and this is T.A.B.B.S.
Hi, Blippi. Hi, T.A.B.B.S. I'm Barb the Chocolate Bar. Welcome to my chocolate factory.
Thanks, Barb. I'd love to see how chocolate bars are made. Can we come with you?
Absolutely. It all begins with cocoa beans. These beans come from plants.
So, how do beans become a chocolate bar?
They go on a little journey. First, a bean bath. Next, our beans get roasty and toasty. Then they get made into teeny-weeny beans. Our bean powder then gets mixed with sugar and milk to make them sweet and smooth.
Woohoo! Come on, T.A.B.B.S. Time to ski. No? But it'll be fun. It's chocolate bar T.A.B.B.S.
After the chocolate is cooled into bar shapes, we wrap them and they're ready! Ta-da!
Whoa! You both look alike, and I have the answer to my question. How are chocolate bars made? Cocoa beans get washed, heated, crunched, mixed with milk and sugar, and then cooled down into a chocolate bar. Upload answer, T.A.B.B.S. Thanks for a sweet tour, Barb.
Anytime! Bye, Blippi!
Bye-bye! Whoa! Look at that massive skyscraper with a crane next to it. Right, T.A.B.B.S. I think it is helping build the building. I wonder, how does a crane help build a building? Great idea! We'll go talk to the crane! I'm gonna need a grabber arm and extendo legs.
Grabber arm, extendo legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Extendo legs up! Whoa!
Hi. Are you here to help me?
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is T.A.B.B.S. Sure, I'll help. What's your name?
It's Kareem. Kareem the Crane. It's my first big job today. I'm kind of nervous.
I get it. Trying new things makes me nervous sometimes, too. We'll help you any way we can.
I spin my mast, my tall body around, and then I extend my jib down. The jib is my long arm. Now I can use my hook to pick up these really heavy bricks. Whoa! I can't stop it swinging!
Gotcha.
Thanks, Blippi. I'm still learning, but I'll figure this out. Now you can help me with the roof. It's that big glass square down there. Glass is very fragile.
You got this.
I'm doing it! I'm really doing it!
Now, take it up, Kareem.
Oh, goodness! Look out below!
Got it. Now, let's finish the job.
Yeah!
Isn't helping Kareem so fun?
Hey, Hooray! We did it!
And now I know the answer to my question. How does a crane help build a building? Cranes lift heavy materials so they can be used to construct super tall buildings. Upload answer, T.A.B.B.O. Yes!
Thanks for everything, Blippi. Bye!
Bye, Kareem! I knew you'd be an amazing crane.
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Whoa! Look at those ducks floating in that pond! Exactly, T.A.B.B.O. There's got to be a reason why ducks don't sink. I wonder, how do ducks float? Good idea. Let's go ask that one. I'm gonna need duck feet and wings.
Duck feet, wings, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Here, ducky ducky. Here, little ducky. Whoa! Big ducky! Hang on, T.A.B.B.O. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is T.A.B.B.O.
Well, hello there, Blippi and T.A.B.B.O. I'm Declan. Welcome to the pond. You here for a swim?
Well, we're actually here because we really want to know how you float.
I never really thought about it. Oh, us ducks do paddle with our feet a lot. Want to take a look?
Good idea. I'll check them out. We can't get close enough. You're right. We have our binoculars. Whoa!
What do you think?
You sure have webbed feet. T.A.B.B.O. is right. You stopped paddling and you're still floating.
Must not be my feet that make me float. Oh, I have an idea. Floating may have something to do with our feathers. Yo, Terry, let Blippi have a look under your feathers.
Woohoo! It's a feather tunnel in here. And the feathers are kind of oily.
See again, we make a special oil that keeps our feathers waterproof.
Waterproof feathers! Whoa! Is that a bubble?
Bubbles? What do they do?
It's air! Air bubbles are floating in the feathers like a balloon.
Oh, so the bubbles help us ducks float. Hey, Terry, we have air bubbles floating in our feathers.
It's true! And now I have the answer to my question. How do ducks float? Duck feathers trap air bubbles and air floats in water. So, ducks float. Upload answer, T.A.B.B.O. Thanks for everything, Declan. Bye-bye! Keep floating.
Bye, Blippi.